'Tis the season for sneezing. Right now we see the goldenrod, and ragweed is very prominent in the landscape. Now these beautiful goldenrods actually have this gorgeous yellow flowers that are become very prominent right now at this time in the fall. And these have actually been cultivated, and there are some named cultivars that now are available in the nursery trade because of those beautiful yellow flowers, and because pollinators and birds and all sorts of beneficial insects love the nectar. These produce a lot of nectar. But the main reason for the sneezing is actually this ragweed. Now this produces these green flowers that produce a great deal of pollen that can be a true irritant to many allergy sufferers. In fact, millions of Americans will suffer from allergies from this ragweed. Now, how can you tell them apart? Well, of course, goldenrod has yellow flowers. Now, this is full of nectar, and again, the beneficial insects and pollinators just love it. And it is a gorgeous spray of flowers that can actually be cut and brought indoors. Now, the ragweed you can actually tell apart because it has this very broad leaf. So a very wide leaf, and then we're going to see these green flowers that produce all that pollen. Now, goldenrod actually has those strappy leaves with the beautiful yellow flowers, and these can be purchased in the nursery trade, and you can enjoy them. So know that our goldenrod is good, and ragweed is our reason for sneezing. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.